Set a clear intention for healing. Before you begin, take a few deep breaths and center yourself in stillness. Decide exactly what you wish to heal, whether it's a physical ailment, an emotional wound, a mental block, or even an energetic imbalance in someone else. Your intention is not just a thought. It is a frequency that will resonate through your astral journey. When you define it clearly, you create a beacon that draws in the right energies, guides your awareness, and shields you from distractions. You may choose to speak your intention aloud, write it down, or visualize it in symbolic form, such as a glowing sphere, a word written in light, or a stream of color representing the healing you seek. The more vividly and emotionally you connect with this intention, the stronger its pull in the astral realm. Remember, the astral plane responds to clarity and conviction, so allow your focus to be unwavering. Prepare your body and mind. Choose a quiet, comfortable space where you can remain undisturbed for the duration of your practice. This could be a softly lit room, a cozy corner with cushions, or even a peaceful spot outdoors where the natural world can support your energy. Dim the lights or light a candle to create a gentle atmosphere that signals to your mind it's time to turn inward. Wear loose, breathable clothing to keep your body unrestricted, and remove any jewelry or items that might carry unnecessary energy. Sit or lie down in a position that allows complete comfort without strain. Begin with slow, deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, allowing each exhale to release tension from your muscles, your mind, and your energetic field. As you breathe, consciously let go of lingering worries, to-do lists, and any mental chatter. Imagine them dissolving into the air, leaving you in a state of openness and receptivity. This clearing of body and mind creates the perfect gateway for the astral frequencies of healing to flow through you without resistance. 3. Enter a deep relaxation state. Once your space is prepared and your mind is clear, guide yourself into a state of profound calm. You can use techniques like progressive muscle relaxation, starting from your toes and moving upward, tensing each muscle group for a moment, then releasing the tension completely. Pair this with slow, rhythmic breathing, letting each inhale expand your chest and each exhale draw you deeper into stillness. If you prefer, settle into a gentle meditative rhythm, focusing on a single point, such as your breath, a candle flame, or a quiet mantra. With every breath, feel your body growing lighter, as though the weight of gravity is loosening its hold. Your limbs feel airy, your chest expansive, your mind unbound. Visualize yourself sinking, not in heaviness, but in depth, into a soft pool of silence where the physical world begins to fade. This is the threshold of the astral state, where awareness shifts from the sensory to the subtle. Remain in this space until you sense the quiet hum of your inner energy field and the soft stirring of the astral currents around you. 4. Shift into the astral body. From the stillness you've cultivated, let your awareness begin to rise, not with force, but with the natural ease of a feather caught in a warm breeze. Picture a subtle, luminous version of yourself, your astral body, gently separating from the physical form beneath you. There is no strain, no effort, only the sensation of floating upward into an atmosphere of pure freedom. As you drift just above your physical body, take a moment to observe it with compassion and gratitude. It remains safe, peaceful, and anchored, while your consciousness steps into a lighter, more fluid state of being. Notice how your senses shift. Sight becomes brighter and more vivid. Sound carries a musical clarity, and your perception feels limitless. Allow your awareness to expand outward in every direction, as though the boundaries of your mind have dissolved. In this space, thought and movement are instantaneous, guided only by your intention. You are now attuned to the gentle currents of the astral plane, a realm where healing energy flows more freely, waiting to be directed toward your purpose. 5. Locate the energy block or target area. Now that you are fully present in the astral state, allow your perception to shift from the physical form to the energetic blueprint beneath it. Sense the flow of energy within yourself. or if you are working on another within their astral bod.
Move your awareness slowly, scanning from head to toe. Notice where the energy feels different. Perhaps it's heavy like stone, dense like fog, or dull where it should be glowing. These are the places where energy has become stagnant or disrupted. You might see them as shadowed areas, tangled threads, cloudy patches, or even hear them as discordant tones. If you are healing someone else, trust that your intuition will guide you. Your awareness may be gently pulled towards specific regions. These are their energetic hotspots, the places most in need of restoration. Do not rush. Allow the location of the imbalance to reveal itself fully before you move into the next phase of healing. The clearer you identify the block, the more precisely you can channel the energy to dissolve it. 6. Channel healing light or vibrations. With the target area clearly identified, open yourself as a conduit for universal healing energy, the pure, limitless current that flows through all of existence. See, feel, or sense this energy descending from a higher source. Whether you envision it as divine light, cosmic vibrations, or the living essence of creation itself, let it gather in your astral hands, warm and alive, humming with a gentle yet powerful frequency. The energy may appear as a stream of liquid light, a waterfall of color, or a pulsating wave of sound and vibration. Whatever form it takes, trust that it is perfectly attuned to the healing needed. Guide this light toward the target area. Feel it pouring in, saturating the dense or shadowed energy, dissolving blockages like sunlight melting frost. The heavy patches grow lighter, the tangled threads unwind, and vitality begins to flow freely once again. Remain present in this exchange. Your role is not to force the healing, but to allow the universal current to flow through you without resistance. As it passes, you may feel warmth, tingling, or a subtle magnetic pull, signaling that the energetic shift is taking place. Continue until the area feels lighter, brighter, and harmonize with the rest of the energy body. 7. Use visualization for restoration. Once the blockages have dissolved and energy is flowing freely again, shift your focus to rebuilding and strengthening the healed area. Visualization is a powerful tool here, as the astral plane responds directly to imagery and intention. See the affected space radiating with vivid, living colors: gold for strength and resilience, green for harmony and balance, and white for purity and renewal. Let these hues swirl gently, blending into one another like liquid light, each carrying its own frequency of restoration. If you are working on the body, imagine the cells awakening and regenerating, their vitality increasing with every pulse of color. If you are focusing on the aura, see its edges becoming bright and seamless, free of cracks or weak spots. For chakras, picture them spinning freely in their natural rhythm, each glowing with its unique color, yet harmonizing perfectly with the whole system. Feel the area becoming strong, stable, and whole, no longer vulnerable to the heaviness that once dwelled there. The more clearly and emotionally you connect with this vision, the more deeply the healing imprint settles into the energetic structure. 8. Balance and seal the energy field. With the restoration complete, take a moment to bring the entire energy field into a state of perfect balance. Gently run your astral awareness over the healed area and its surroundings, smoothing out any remaining ripples or uneven currents. Imagine your hands, or simply your intention, brushing through the energy like water, creating a steady, harmonious flow that integrates seamlessly with the whole system. Now envision a protective layer of light forming around the healed space. This shield can take the form of a soft golden glow, a crystalline bubble, or a luminous mist, whatever feels most protective and nurturing to you. See it sealing the restored energy, locking in the new harmony, and preventing old blockages or disruptive influences from returning. Expand this protection outward, wrapping the entire aura or energetic body, so the healing radiates through all levels of being: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. Sense the field becoming calm, steady, and resilient, holding the balance with ease.
When the energy feels smooth and the protective seal is strong, you'll know the healing process is fully anchored. 9. Return gently to the physical body. When the healing feels complete and the energy field is balanced, let your awareness begin to draw back toward your physical self. There's no rush. Allow the shift to happen as naturally as a tide returning to shore. First, notice the gentle pull of your physical body, waiting for you, steady and safe. Sense its weight, its warmth, and the familiar rhythm of your breathing. Imagine your astral body aligning perfectly with your physical form, settling in with comfort and ease, like slipping into a favorite, well-fitting garment. Begin to deepen your breaths, feeling each inhale anchor you more firmly into the here and now. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch if it feels good, and become aware of the textures, sounds, and scents in your physical space. When you feel fully reconnected, open your eyes slowly, carrying with you the lightness, balance, and clarity you cultivated in the astral plane. Take a moment to express gratitude for the healing received, for the universal energy that flowed through you, and for the safe return to your waking self. 10. Ground yourself after the session. Once your astral work is complete, it's important to fully anchor your energy back into the physical world. Astral healing can leave you feeling expanded, light, or even slightly detached. Beautiful sensations, but ones that need grounding to maintain balance. Begin by eating something nourishing yet light, such as fresh fruit, bread, or a handful of nuts. This engages the senses and reminds your body of its physical presence. Drink a glass of clean water slowly, imagining it flowing through you, harmonizing your energy and rehydrating both body and spirit. If possible, connect with natural elements. Place your bare feet on the ground, hold a stone in your hand, touch the bark of a tree, or run your fingers through soil or sand. These direct contacts with the earth help draw your awareness firmly into the here and now, preventing that lingering floaty feeling. As you ground, take a few steady breaths, feeling gratitude for the healing completed. This final step not only stabilizes your energy, but also locks the astral work into your physical reality, ensuring the benefits remain with you long after the session ends.